Hello there, friends. Today we'll be making toast. Because we are. Just go with it! You've probably seen toast in movies and television and thought, gee, I'd sure like to have my own. Well, you still can't, but you can watch me make it. Since the dawn of time, many have wondered just how exactly toast comes into being. These are just a few testimonials about how toast is made.
You know how toast is toasted?
No, I don't.
So, Maggie,
Yes.
do you know how toast is made?
Same thing in
How is toast? Do you know how toast is made?
I'm not sure.
So, toast. You buy toast at the toast store.
So you see, you are not alone in your confusion. I'll explain how to make delicious toast. Tasty! But what's even cooler is how toast is toasted. The process is as follows. The bread browns in a hot toaster because of the carbohydrates and proteins in the bread. The carbohydrates in bread come from simple sugar that may be part of the recipe, and the starch in grain or potato flour. The protein in bread is also found in the flour, or sometimes eggs if the recipe includes them. Of course, bread does not brown spontaneously. Don't be silly. The process requires heat. A toaster heats the bread with the power of infrared radiation. Nichrome wire, the part responsible for toasting the bread, is an alloy made of nickel and chromium. Nichrome wire has a fairly high electrical resistance compared to something like copper wire, so even a short length of it has enough resistance to get quite hot. In addition to these benefits, the nichrome alloy does not oxidize when heated. Iron wire would rust very quickly at the temperatures seen in a toaster. Also, these wires are wrapped around a mica sheet. Mica allows the nichrome to toast the bread without losing any excess heat that radiates from the wires. Wow, doesn't that look delicious? I don't know about you all staring at this screen right now with your eyeballs, but this sure tastes good. A few good foods to bring along with your toast are orange juice, butter, and a delicious muffin. Well, thanks everyone for joining me. Happy breakfasting!